Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at a speaker from Monster. This is the Superstar S100. It's a compact, waterproof loudspeaker. So, start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a Monster Superstar S100 compact waterproof loudspeaker. So I actually picked this up from CES, and I was at the Monster event and they had these out for free, and I had to pick this up from the booth at CES. So I'm definitely interested in what this sounds like because it's small, it's compact, and it should pack a punch. And we will have a test as far as the quality wise, and let's see if it's worth the 60 to 70 bucks that I did see it for. So let me just focus in on this real quick. Alright, so here we go right there. So we have the Superstar S100 on the back. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. You can definitely check this out if you want to. Alright, so let's just unbox this baby and see what it looks like. So we have some tabs here. So get the unboxing knife real quick, and we could pop this baby open. Alright, so we have these little tabs here. Hit one side, hit the other side. Alright, so okay. So at the press event, I did see 3 of these, and they had them like in different sizes. So we have a note from Monster. So if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, you definitely can as well. Looks like it's in another language. That could be French maybe. Alright, so let's just pop the manuals out. So we have the manual here, and you have a quick start guide. And let's take this out of the box. So it looks like you have, is this micro USB? Yes it is. And we have a micro USB cable right over here. Alright, and let's go back to this. So let's see what this looks like. So you have like a little lanyard here that you can just pull it out. So it's a very compact speaker, guys. This thing will fit in any bag or anything that you may need it for. There's nothing else in the box. So let's see what it looks like. So you have like a little piece of tape holding the plastic. So check out how small this speaker looks compared to my other speakers, like this one right over here. This is a very small speaker, guys. It's a little bit hefty, and you do have the logo for Monster there, and you have another logo for Monster here as well on the side. That could be like a subwoofer, and you have like a little bit of traction here, so if you lay it flat it won't move if it does have a lot of bass or whatnot. So let's see how you turn this on. It looks like you pop this open if you want to charge it. So you have your charging port, and you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can use the aux cable. And it looks like you do not get an aux cable with this one, which is I mean, it's okay. Let's see how you pair this up. So you probably most likely have to hold it down, and let's see what happens. There you go.
Discovering.
Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Let's see what happens when you just wait for it to turn on. Now I do have a mic. So you have Monster S100. So I'm going to tap that on my iPhone 10.
We are connected.
Alright, so we are connected. So let's play some music. So I do have a lav mic actually on this. So as far as you hear me now, like I think I'll probably just pull it up or something like here, probably like 5 inches away from the mic, and I'll do it from here as well. But the mic is actually facing outwards, but I'll definitely let you guys know how it is. Let's see. Okay, so let me just turn my notifications off, especially for that group me up. Alright, so let's see what I can do here. What am I doing? Okay, so we're gonna do a test with the microphone. Let's see what we could play here. I'll play a little bit of some music that I've heard from before that I was actually playing today. It's an oldie but goodie, you know. That's one of those situations, but it does have a little bit of beat to it. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so that's not it. Doing like an ad here. Alright, so let's just skip ad. Alright, let's turn it up. Alright, there you go. It's decent.
I'm okay, what's up, hello. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a snack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing photos. See my truck clean, and I hit the bed, no. Oh, we been counting up,
got one here and you got one here.
We just let it go, talking matching Lambos. 50, 60 grand, grab a bunch of grams, though. Man, I swear I love her, how she working on the pool.
Not bad.
The strip club, we be letting bands go. Everybody hating, we just call them fans, though. In love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And I get high with it, baby. I just let them all make them fly with it, baby.
Alright, so that's it, guys. It sounds pretty good. The sound is not too full, but you can definitely hear and understand each word. I'm definitely impressed by it. This is a little small speaker that you can have in your backpack, like if you're at work, or like having like a desk and you just put it on the desk and just play some music. But it's definitely something that I am definitely amazed by. You do have a speaker here and a speaker on the opposite side as well. Had a little bit of bass, not too tinny, but you could definitely tell that it's not like a mono sound, but it does sound good. So I'm definitely, it's not like a stereo sound I meant, but it definitely sounds good in my personal opinion. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of monster speakers and more tech to come. So to the next video, guys. Peace.